So look at him, guys. He's taking a head massage.
Captain, little shake up required.
Have fun. Sparky is here. Harsha is here. Mr. Dinesh. Guys, welcome back to my channel, JetTuber. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. It's morning 5:50 a.m. now, so I'm heading on a long ride to Goa. So as I told you guys before, I'm going to do straight 10 days of riding. There's a lot of fun on this ride. So first we are going to go to Sagara, and we are going to stay in Sagara today and then head to Goa tomorrow. So our first leg is going to be to Sagara. So I have 6 other bikers who are going to join me, all my buddies. So it's a beautiful day, very nice fog in some places, but yeah, the winter has been really crazy this time in Bangalore. So for sure it's going to be fun. So today's ride is going to be around 375 kilometers almost to Sagara, and it's completely nice and beautiful roads to Sagara. So come on, let's go and see how much fun this ride is going to be. You all have arrived. Good. So guys, just finished breakfast, back on the highway. Beautiful weather. Just loving it. So guys, look at this place where we have come. This is a sudden explored place. Looks quite different. Beautiful place, guys. Look at this. So Bambi is here. Guys can see Bambi. Bambi is shooting some beautiful pictures. There's Partha. And there's another gentleman. We visited this nice place here, very beautiful lake. So we are rolling out back again from this place back to en route Sagara. Very nice place, very beautiful, full of nature. So Doc is all geared up to leave to Sagara now. Look at his bike, man, I love it. It's awesome. Triumph Tiger. That's the 1200. Back onto the highway now. Beautiful, so beautiful, guys. I can just feel the cold air. Very nice, beautiful.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head.
Docky is there. So Sagar is 38 kilometers more.
Cool, man. This is the best.
So look at him, guys. He's taking a head massage.
Captain, little shake up required.
Have fun. Swarti is here. Harsha is here. Mr. Dinesh.
Hello. Oh, I didn't know that. Good. That is a pilot of the trip.